Hey food lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making a delicious guava cheese. So let's get started. First, clean and cut the guavas. Then make a few cuts in the guavas to help them steam evenly, and also it will be easier to deseed the guavas. Guava cheese, also known as Perad, is a sweet delicacy made from ripe guavas, sugar, and a touch of lime juice. This traditional treat has a smooth, firm texture and a rich, fruity flavor, making it a favorite in Indian and Goan cuisines, especially during festive seasons. Often cut into squares or bars, guava cheese is a perfect blend of tangy and sweetness. Now steam the guavas on high flame for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once done, remove them from the steamer and let them cool for few minutes. Once cooled, carefully remove the seeds from the guavas. Grind the deseeded guavas in batches to make a smooth fine paste. Now measure the guava paste using a cup. I got about 5 and 3/4 cups of guava paste. Take a strainer and smash the seeds to extract the pulp. Combine the pulp with the freshly ground guava paste. Use the same cup to measure the sugar. For perfect guava cheese, you need exactly 5 and 3 quarters cups of sugar, not less, not more. If the measurement varies, then the result will be guava jam and not guava cheese. Next, heat a deeper vessel and add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add the guava paste and give it a quick stir. Now add the sugar and the juice of 3 half-cut lemons. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. As you stir, the mixture will start thickening up. Keep stirring continuously until it becomes very thick. To know the perfect consistency, watch my video. Red food color is optional. Once thickened, grease your plates with ghee. Pour the mixture and let it set overnight. The next day, simply cut it into your desired shapes. And there you have it. Your yummy and tasty guava cheese is ready to enjoy. Please check the ingredients and method of cooking in the description box. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.